Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an at-home manicure. I'm also going to be showing you how easy it is to do gel nails at home by yourself with my new LED nail lamp. So I've never used one of these LED nail dryers at home before. I've never owned one until now, and I've also never done my own gel nails before, so I was really excited about doing this. You can find this LED nail lamp on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out. It has 3 different settings, one for 30 seconds, one for 60 seconds, and one for 120 seconds. So first I wanted to start off by exfoliating my hands because my hands were really dry because it's still winter weather here in Virginia. So all I did was mix a little bit of olive oil with some sugar and made my own DIY exfoliating scrub. This is really nice on your hands. It exfoliates and moisturizes, and you can also use this on your face or all over your body. Just mix the 2 ingredients together until it becomes lumpy like this, and then put some in your hand, wet your hand a little bit with the water, and then just start exfoliating your hands by rubbing the mixture together, and then once you're done, rinse it off. Your hands are going to feel amazing. Next, I just got 2 small bowls and I filled them with warm water, and I just soaked my fingers in the bowls of warm water just to soften up my cuticles a little bit. This felt really nice and relaxing. I really enjoyed this part. So now I'm taking my little cuticle remover, and I know a lot of people like to push their cuticles back or remove them with the little sharp end. I don't really like to push my cuticles back. I would rather just remove them because they always tend to look dry and I just don't like them there. So I use this little tool here to take them off. Next, I'm taking my cute little fingernail filer my mom got me, and I'm just filing my nails because they were kind of rough around the edges. I hadn't groomed them in a while, so I'm just filing them back into shape. Now I'm just going to buff my nails and smooth them out with this neat little nail buffer that Alan got me for Christmas one year. I love this thing. It makes my nails so smooth and so shiny, and it's a perfect way to prep my nails for fingernail polish. Now I'm using my favorite almond oil from Simply Earth, and I'm just massaging it into my nails and my cuticles. It's super moisturizing and it feels really pampering. So now that my nails are ready, I'm going to paint them with this gel polish I got from Sally's. I'll put the name of it down below in the description. This was my first time ever using a gel polish, so I was kind of nervous. I didn't know if I was doing it right. I was a little scared, but I was really excited to try this because where I do clean a lot, I cannot keep fingernail polish on my fingernails, so I know that gel lasts a lot longer than regular fingernail polish, so I was really excited to try this, and it seemed to work out really well. So gel polish is a lot different than regular fingernail polish. It lasts a lot longer, and you actually need an LED nail dryer to cure and dry the gel nail polish on your nails. So I'm extremely impressed with this nail dryer. It dried the gel polish perfectly on my nails, and there was a little warmth inside of there, so it was super relaxing and it felt so nice on my hands. I started out with one coat, and then I put my hand in the nail dryer, and then I did a second coat and put it back in for the required time, which wasn't long at all. This LED nail dryer actually dries 2 times faster than a traditional nail lamp. And like I said, it has 3 different settings on there. It has a large inside, so you can put 2 hands at one time, or even 2 feet at one time if you wanted to do gel polish on your toenails. It worked really well. It worked super fast, and it dried the polish perfectly on my hands, and I didn't have to worry about smudging them or messing them up. And as you can see here, I have both hands on top of each other just to show you how much you can fit in there. It took about 2 minutes to dry completely, and then I just rubbed my fingernails off or buffed them with alcohol on a tissue. And I think it turned out perfect, and I can't wait to see how long this nail polish is going to last on my nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, leave me some comments and give me a thumbs up, and I will put the links to everything I used in this video down below if you guys want to check it out, the nail dryer and the nail polish and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye!